The Association of Public and Environmental Health Officers (APEHOG) held a public health awareness event at Westfield Youth Monument on 22 June 2023, which is part of the Public Health Awareness Week that started from 19 to 25 June. According to retired public health officer, some of the activities of health personnel registered in the health sector includes the fight against malaria, HIV/AIDS, and the National Public Health Lab, where most of their members are engaged also.
It's well-resourced both in terms of human resources and materials and equipment. However, we need more trained personnel in the area of toxicology, microbiology and chemistry, and the establishment of a food chemistry lab to check on the safety of the foods and also their chemical composition, both of all of foods that are produced and consumed in the country, those that are exported for trade, and the ones imported into the country. We really need to check these foods to see whether they are safe or not safe and what their chemical composition is made of. We have now moved away from paper-based birth registration to a digitalized format, which is quite commendable. And all these things are public health officers play a major role.
The Public and Environmental Health Council was passed by an Act of Parliament in December 2016. Chairperson of the Public Health Council said after the Act, a 12-member council was set up, whose members include the Permanent Secretary of Health, Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Higher Education, Research, Science and Technology, amongst others.
1. To determine the standards of knowledge and skills required of public health officers, as well as the code of conduct for our cadre. The Council will also review periodically the code, yes, as well as standards and skills. The Council will also register public health officers, public and environmental health officers to practice in this country. That's the case with the nurses and other cadres. It's not the case with us now, but that's coming, that's on the way. We are going to register in order to practice.
People donate blood at the ceremony. Also, those who could not obtain their new biometric birth certificate get the opportunity to do so at the event. Mr. Nuha Fofana, president of APEHOG, thanked all the members for their sacrifices, including the sponsors.
If I can remember, what I said was the unity shown during the community engagement by our members is second to none or is unmatched. And if there is one lesson that I learned from what I saw during the community engagement is that if we come together, we may not solve everything, but we can solve a lot of things.
The Public and Environmental Health Council and APEHOG are two complementary bodies that join hands to save the public. Reporting for N24, I am Lamin Ba.